Namaste everyone. Welcome to Millionaire GRE. I am Punit. We have started beginner video series on this YouTube channel. The goal is to cover all the concepts, all the chapters required for the GRE, but from the very scratch, from the beginner level. Through this video, we are beginning the chapter functions. In this video, we will learn what do we mean by a function, and in the upcoming videos, we will learn about combination of functions, domain, range of a function, and shifting of graphs. But before all that, we should learn what is a function. So let's get started. Now, function is something which takes in an input, does some calculation, and returns an output. Function takes some input and then gives out an output for the specific input. For instance, here fx is a function, or you can say f is a function. It takes x as the input and gives out this as the output. Here f is a function which takes x as the input and gives out this as the output. Now we are asked the question, what is the output if input is 2? So the value of x is 2, the input is 2. So we simply have to replace x with 2. It was 2x plus 3. We have replaced x with 2. We get this. This is 4 plus 3, 7. So our output is 7. When input is 2, output is 7. We simply had to replace x with 2. That's all we had to do. F is a function which takes 2 as the input and gives out 7 as the output. Let's do a few more questions to solidify the concept of function. I would want you to pause the screen and give this question a try. I hope you have done so. Now let's solve it together. There is a function gx and it gives out this output if x is even. It gives out this output if x is odd. We are asked to find g of 2. So the input here is 2. If the input is even, the output becomes 3x plus 2 and the value of x is 2. We simply have to replace x with 2 here. So we'll get 6 plus 2, 8 as our answer. In the second bit, x is 3 or the input is 3. If x is even, this is the output, but here x is odd. So this has to be the output. I simply have to replace x with 3. So 3 square upon 4 is 9 upon 4, and that's our answer. Let's move on to another question. I again want you to pause the screen and give this question a try. I hope you have done so. Now let's solve it together. Fx is a function which takes x as the input and gives out this as the output. Here the input is x plus 3. So we simply have to replace x with x plus 3. So in the output as well, we have to replace x with x plus 3. That's all we have to do. X plus 3 plus 4. This will give us 2x plus 6 plus 4, or you get 2x plus 10 as the answer. Okay. If output is x, input is x, you get this as the output. Similarly, if input is x plus 3, you get this as the output. Right? You simply have to replace input with this. I hope this makes everything clear. And with this, we have come to the conclusion of this video. We learned what do we mean by a function, and we have solidified that understanding through 2 questions. I'll see you in the next one, where we will discuss combination of functions. Thank you for watching.